Cha. Sizokuzwa ngana. Asizokuzwa ngani. Sizongena. Yebo la ngokudabula ngempama. Wena uzokudabula ngempama songena siyangena kusuka. Su. Hawu. Ngelani. Hawu la imhlola. Hawu sidakola amakula la. Ila? Oh, umngena ngapha. Ama-ofisela amakhulu. Oh, asambeni. Asambeni. Sino la sisiyo lamalunga lethu. Nabo ngeke basenze lutho. Well, I'm here to talk to the managers and the owners of the company. Our people are being abused here in terms of the work ethic. There is unfair practice in the work ethic. So I'm here to deal with that. All of them, they're working here. Yes, yeah. Enough is enough for abuse. I can't allow our own people to be treated as bullshit. Doesn't matter when they call you or you kill us or whatsoever. We don't care. We are fighting for our rights. Yeah. I'm sure she posted like share. Chinese in challenge she post. I'm tired of the trouble. Sir, you're tagging. Ni metro, Japan metro ni. Ashanga ngamasende laphana. Samfikile laphana. Wena ngizobe ngilapha eThekwini. Skathele ngamasimba kahulumeni. Gijimela ubani ngalo ikhantula imtsintsila laphana. Kopha town. Niyayikhokobisa ngikhona ke. Jagiwe nini. Oh. The majority, these are women. Buka. 16,000 activism. Buka. Ulmana kanendaba. Wenza hamba yenza ama-talk shows. No tie, on tuli. Imgodo ngiteke nemsebenzi wami. Anamsebenzi wami kufanele ngizazi. You don't know the real problems. You are busy protecting each other. I'm not here to tolerate any bullshit for anyone. This is all lunga leliso.